Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Indian cricket is not merely a sport, it is a passion, a way of life that unites the country in a shared fervour. The sport has a rich and varied history, with roots that stretch back to the colonial era when it was introduced by the British. Over the years, it has evolved into one of the most significant and culturally ingrained pastimes in India, often seen as more than just a game but a source of national pride and identity. The Indian national cricket team made its first foray into international cricket in 1932 when it was granted Test status by the International Cricket Council, ICC. India's early years in international cricket were filled with struggles and challenges, as the team lacked the depth and infrastructure that other cricketing nations boasted. However, the foundation for future success was laid, and over time, India began to produce some remarkable cricketers, such as the legendary Lala Amarnath, who captained the team during the early years, and later, Sunil Gavaskar, whose exploits in the 1970s and 80s made him one of the most revered batsmen in cricket history. The 1983 World Cup marked a monumental moment in Indian cricket. Under the captaincy of Kapil Dev, India shocked the cricketing world by defeating the West Indies to claim their first-ever World Cup title. This victory, often credited with sparking a cricketing revolution in the country, fueled an immense surge in the sport's popularity. The momentous win also heralded the beginning of a golden era for Indian cricket, as the country produced a string of world-class players in the following decades. One of the most iconic names in Indian cricket is Sachin Tendulkar, often regarded as the greatest cricketer of all time. His career spanned over 2 decades, and he set records that may never be broken, including being the highest run scorer in the history of both Test and One-Day international cricket. The 2007 ICC T20 World Cup victory further cemented India's standing in world cricket. The team, led by the charismatic MS Dhoni, played an innovative and fearless brand of cricket that resonated with fans across the globe. Dhoni's calm leadership and finishing abilities made him one of the most successful captains in Indian cricket history. Under his leadership, India not only won the T20 World Cup but also clinched the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, a triumph that marked the pinnacle of Indian cricket's modern-day success. In addition to the international success, the Indian Premier League, IPL, revolutionized the sport's commercial landscape. Launched in 2008, the IPL brought together top players from around the world and transformed cricket into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Today, Indian cricket is at the zenith of success, with a competitive and balanced team that consistently ranks among the top in the world. The national team's success, coupled with a robust domestic structure and the IPL's popularity, continues to shape and influence the future of the sport. Indian cricketers now enjoy widespread recognition, and their influence extends far beyond the boundaries of the playing field. Stop. Thank you and keep learning, and don't forget forget to follow and share our channel.